Welcome back to my channel. So today we discuss about how to create voucher using a simple problem. Please note down the problem shown on the display. So I'm going to open the Tally application. Choose work in educational mode. So afterwards I'm going to create a new company. Select create company. So as per the problem, the owner of the company is Manoj. So I'm going to create on the name of Manoj Private Limited. Enter and enter mailing names and address of the company and enter all the details what it asked. Enter all the details. I am going to enter. So this is the name of company what I am created now, Manoj Private Limited. So in that I am going to enter create the ledger in the gateway of Tally. To create ledger, click on account info, select ledgers. I am going to choose multiple ledgers in that create. So under group, select all items. So name of the ledger as per the problem, the Mr. Manoj, he is the capital of that company, hence he comes under capital account. Choose capital account or type C, you will get the capital account. So there is no any opening balance here. So next one, as per the problem, he opened a new SBI account, right? SBI. So all kinds of banks comes under bank accounts. Select bank account here, and in that he having 75,000 rupees opening balance. Enter here only. Opening balance, if you have, just mention the amount in this opening balance. Third one, computer purchase. So computer, earlier we discussed about these are the items what we are going to buy for the company. So those all comes under in fixed asset. So select fixed asset. Then fourth one, mobile purchase. It is also asset of the company. Keep it in fixed asset only. And the next one, rent paid. Here company is going to pay rent to the owner of that building. So this will come under indirect expense. So indirect expense. Select it. And the next one, salary paid. All the payments comes under in indirect expense and select the indirect expense option here. And the next one, donation received. Donation received comes under indirect income. It is the income for the company, comes through cash or by check, hence enter it in indirect income. And next one, commission received through bank. Received through bank, it is also comes under indirect income. And the next one, I am going to purchase again, computer purchased through cash. So no need to repeat the ledger name here. So next one, I am going to enter petty expense. So this expense comes under indirect expense. Interest received, so it is the income for the company, hence it comes under indirect income. And the last one, mobile was sold, 20% of loss. Actually here we have mobile purchased, but here we mention mobile sold. So if you want to keep it mobile only, then no need to enter again mobile purchased and mobile sold. So I'm going to enter it in fixed asset only. So it is also comes in fixed asset. So next enter and accept the submission. Accept it. Enter escape key if you want to go back, and then again escape. In this gateway of Tally, we are going to create vouchers. For vouchers, we have to select accounting vouchers option. So accounting vouchers, I am going to select it, click on it. In this case, Manoj started a new business with 2,25,000. So Manoj is investing the amount here. Hence, the company is going to be receive the amount. So I am going to click on this receipt. So company is going to be receive the amount here through enter the space key. You will get these two options. In account section, you enter space bar, you will get these two options. Select cash because he invested the amount in cash only. So again you enter the space bar, you will get the ledger list here. Select Mr. Manoj. He only invested the amount 2,25,000 and again enter it and enter. Narrations means any notes if you want to write, here only you write. So investment. So again enter it and accept the submission. And next, as per the problem, he opened a new bank account. Here SBI account already having 75,000 in opening balance. No need to enter here because we already entered it in opening balance only. So next I go for next point, computer purchased through bank. For the computer we are going to make payment here. For the computer we are going to make a payment for the seller. So I am going to select this payment and here I am going to select the payment is made by through bank. So hence I am going to select the SBI. Payment is made by SBI. So for what we are purchasing computer here. Select computer purchase for 30,000. Enter here. You see the previous balance is 75,000. Now less 30,000 in that. In SBI we get 45,000 only. Enter it. No need to enter any check numbers. Just you enter it. And if you want to write any narrations, write it. And I am going to enter or submit it. Next one, mobile purchase. So mobile purchased through cash here. Space bar and select cash. So mobile is purchased through the cash. So again enter space, select the mobile purchased for how much amount? 20,000. Here I am going to enter 20,000. Write any narrations if you want. Otherwise submit it. And the next, rent paid. So rent paid through bank. I am going to select SBI. So again enter the space bar. You will get the list of that ledgers. Here select rent paid. So this is also a payment, comes under payment mode. And how much it is? Rent paid 15,000 is there. 15,000 rent paid through SBI. Enter the check number here. We discuss it later. Enter it. Enter. Again enter it. And if you want to write any narrations, write it and go for the submissions. Next one, salary paid through bank. So salary is also a payment. So it is also comes under payment voucher. So select through bank only. Select SBI and space bar. Enter here. Salary paid 22,000 is there. Next one, donation received. Here company is going to be receive some donations. Hence I am going to select receipt. Through the cash it will come. Hence enter the space bar, select the donation received and enter the amount. Donation received 15,000 and write narration if you want. Otherwise submit it and accept it. The next one, commission received. It is also comes under in a receipt. So commission received through bank. Hence I am going to select SBI. SBI is the receiver here. So select the commission received and enter the amount 10,500 and enter it. So if you want any narrations you want to write it, otherwise submit it, enter it. So next one, computer purchase. So select the computer purchased, write the amount 20,000. So enter it and enter it. And next, petty expense. Petty expense means the miscellaneous expenses done by the company. So it is also comes under payment. So select it through the cash only he mentioned. So select petty expense and enter the amount 950. Enter it, write the expenses, stationaries or anything you want, write it and enter it. Interest received through bank 15,000. Receipt, select receipt option. So here I am going to select SBI, he is the receiver, and select interest received. So enter the amount 15,500, enter it. And finally, mobile was sold 20% of loss. Select it in cash mode and select the mobile option, mobile sold. Enter Control N, you will get a calculator here. If you want to calculate the percentage of that, so actually mobile purchased for 20,000. So 20,000 into 20%, it is 4,000. Hence, in the 20,000, we are going to subtract 4,000. So this is the amount what we are going to sell mobile here. So enter the 16,000 here and enter it and accept it. So this completes the entry of voucher. Press escape and yes. If you want to see the balance sheet, click on reports, click on reports and that select balance sheet. See if the profit and loss comes in this liabilities left side, then we are under profit. If profit and loss comes under in this side, then the company is under loss. So see the capital account and fixed assets. If you want to see all the details here, enter here, enter Manoj and enter again, enter it, enter here. So cash, all the details we get here only. Okay, next enter escape key, escape. Fixed asset, you want to see the details of the fixed assets here. Computer purchased, mobile sold, these are the fixed assets. Here the details of debits and credits of mobiles, because we are already sold the mobile here for the 16,000. And current assets, about current assets, cash in hand and bank accounts. Actually 2,15,050 rupees we have cash in hand and 34,000 in bank only. And escape for the back. So this is the profit of the company, 3,050 rupees.